This exercise is to open the chest and upper back area. So remember I said to you that the gallbladder channel runs along the tops of the shoulders, but then comes around to the armpit, but it's very much involved in kind of upper back as well. So this is just a lovely exercise just to open up this whole area. So from a position of standing with your feet hip width or shoulder width distance apart, you can also be sitting for this. Hands are by your sides. And then bring the backs of the hands in towards the centre to meet each other, just at hip level, very gently touching. From there, bend the elbows and draw the hands up through the midline, still touching. And then when you reach heart level, keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed, allow the hands to separate and the arms go out to the sides at shoulder level, palms facing up towards the ceiling or the sky. Feeling that lovely extension on the front of the chest, all the way down through the arms. And that lovely valley that you've created between the shoulder blades, really relaxing the muscles in the upper back. And then bring the hands together again. So as though, think of gathering lovely energy from the outside world with your palms, bringing in a ball of energy. And then again, allow the hands, the backs of the hands to come together. So like as though you're diving into a swimming pool, backs of the hands together, going down through the midline and coming back to rest, one hand next to each side. So that's the movement, really lovely and simple. Now let's bring in the breath. So bringing the backs of the hands together and take a breath in as you elevate the hands up towards the heart center. And then breathing out through the nose. Lovely stretch. Hands out to the sides. Thinking of stretching all the way into your fingernails. Breathing in, gathering everything in. So as you breathe in, it's as though you're sucking in lovely, energizing, healing chi. And then breathing out as the hands move back down through the midline, backs of the hands are together. And then when they reach hip level, allow them to separate. So where's your mind for this now? As you breathe in, the backs of the hands come together, you're drawing energy up through from the lower abdomen area where you've been breathing into, drawing that chi up into the heart center, and then you're spreading it down through the chest area, through the arms, into the hands and out through the nails. And then as you breathe in, drawing energy in through the hands and the arms, in towards the chest area. And then when the backs of the hands come together and move down, they're helping that chi move down, back into the abdomen. And then separating the hands. And that lower abdomen area we call dantian in Qigong. Dantian is our energy center. So we're moving chi or energy from our energy center out through the hands and then drawing energy in from the outside world to benefit and regenerate and energize dantian. So a few more now, remembering the breath leads the movement. So bringing the backs of the hands together and breathing in, and that inhalation draws the hands up, draws the energy up, and then separating the hands, the exhalation spreads everything out. Don't forget the back of the body there, the shoulder blades coming together to form a little valley in the middle of the back. And now thinking of drawing chi in from the outside world, breathing in, hands coming back towards each other. And then when you reach the center, backs of the hands meet and breathing out, sending the chi from the outside world down into dantian. And 3 more of those in your own time. And again, the more slowly you perform this lovely movement, the more you'll feel the flow of qi through the upper back and shoulders, but also through the chest and down through the arms. And as much as you can, keep this movement as flowing as possible. So imagine that your hands are moving through treacle or melted chocolate. Just feel that lovely flow. So no jerky movements, no tension in any of the muscles. Keep the shoulders nice and relaxed and that lovely smile on your face as you do this. Be aware of what your mind is doing as you perform this lovely flowing movement. And then when you finish that, just allow the hands to come back down by your sides. Open your eyes if your eyes have been closed. Give your hands a little shake out. And again, keeping that smile on the corners of your mouth. Maybe just tune in for a moment here to any sensations you feel in the hands or in the arms. You may feel tingling, you might feel warmth or even coolness. It's different for everyone, but if you have any interesting sensations like that, that shows that you've really been able to mobilize the qi and really open up channels of qi flow, not specifically gallbladder and liver down through the arms at all, but generally on a whole body level.